So let's start with the host challenge. Adam, it's up to you to go log in and see how many people Morley converted from his YouTube audience to go over to Instagram.
41 to Morley, 26 to Grant. I got to choose prize/punishment for Grant. Grant has to make a YouTube video making a trophy for Morley that has a plaque saying that Morley is better than me.
Hey, Dean, can I ask you a favor?
Yeah, Grant, what's up?
You listened to the latest Clamp and saw the Clamp host challenge, right?
Yeah, I think Morley won the vote, huh?
Yeah, and that means that I need a plaque. Do you think that's something that you could laser up for me?
Yeah, I think I can do that for you.
So I got it this far and it just kind of feels a little bit one-sided. So I got a plan for that. Little Eagle, you're gonna go right here. So I just got this in the mail today from Dean Duplantis. Let's open it up. Can't wait to see this beautiful plaque that he made me. That's not what I said. The 2022 Clamp Challenge host competition, first place, but not really our best work. Huh. This is the trophy.
All right, so my reward for winning the Clamp Challenge. Let's see. "2022 Clamp Challenge host competition first place, but really not our best work." That sums it up pretty well.
That's awesome.
Grant, it's been a pleasure.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're the winner.
All I'm hoping out of this video is that somehow someone searches for Morley Kurt and then they get to my channel. Right? Because right now, Morley Kurt is a search term in YouTube. So as long as I put him in all my titles, then I might just grow that way.